Check out this Ford 2019 Super Duty F-250 SRW LARIAT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: electronic locking with 3.55 axle ratio, voice-activated navigation included, HD and Sirius XM traffic and travel link. Note: Sirius XM traffic and travel link includes a 5-year prepaid subscription. Services are not available in Alaska and Hawaii. Tires: LT275/65 RX20 EOWL automatic transmission included, LT275/70 RX18 EBSW automatic transmission. Spare tire, FX4 off-road package included, unique FX4 off-road box decal, off-road specifically tuned shock absorbers, front rear hill descent control, transfer case in fuel tank, skid plates. Lariat Sport appearance package included, ebony black fender vents, around ebony black painted front grille bars, rear wheel well liners, pre-installed, black